Tell her when we come. Hello. Leaving.
Even.
Oh, here gonna go.
Me yard.
You look nice though.
Thanks.
So give me a number.
Why? Give me a reason if you give him my number.
Because I see I walk from way down there, so I say you look nice.
Thanks.
How old are you?
18.
18? You're a big girl, man. So you're
So such a big man like you want a school girl? Look for me, you're a little girl.
I'm a young man. So yeah, I say. Give me a number.
Let me give you my number.
Hello.
Yes, darling.
Good girl, how you do? Eh? What am I saying now? What you do for road attack, man?
I him tell me say, he might tell me something.
Tell us say what?
He might tell me say, my father old man place up there, so.
So what if my father own what that say?
No, he just ask me say if I don't know him, and I say no.
So I school there? What
No,
say must do?
come here.
When they left from school, I say for come here yard.
Come home.
You not book for study?
Yes, daddy.
You not SBA and CSBA do?
Yes, daddy.
Hey girl, I never lick for the bonnet, you know. I know I lick you, you know. You hear me?
Yes, daddy.
Come go on now, I'm take and lick you down. Yo, you, what are you doing with that? I'm looking at that. I'm sending to school, you know. I'm looking 17-year-old, you know. I don't want to know young boy fit so can breathe or half, you know.
You know,
hear me?
You know who you deal with?
Listen me. When you look at that, you should have on the left, you take the right. You understand?
So badness, yeah.
But me I say to you, you know, you got prison for you, you know. Me know our age group, me know our age, you know. You got prison. Me don't need to know how you know, because some young boy have a gun, you know. You know, free, so I'm afraid of, you know. Me have a machete down a farm there, you know.
What you say? Machete!
Yeah.
You come to me with machete argument, brother?
You don't know who me.
Brother, lift up now, brother.
I know I'm going to live down in a jailhouse soon, you know.
Brother, just know what you do.
Don't talk to you, know. Don't talk to you. Because if you bust your gun, and it's...
Where they Alton?
You know, say, Mummy did there, she shouldn't do them something here.
What do you mean shouldn't do them something here?
Mummy wouldn't do this here, because Mummy wouldn't chat about them something here.
Let me tell you something. You need to listen when time I talk. You hear me I tell you? You see, as from now on, you go cook your one pot. Let me turn off the pipe. Like you now, hear what me I say good. Me I go cook me one pot, you cook your one pot. Yes, when the gas buy, you put half my money and me put half. Who you?
Well, if I saw it, if you go, I saw it, I go then.
So me if you come mind you.
You know mind.
Who you?
Buy me one of food. Huh?
Buy your one food, help buy the gas, and I hope, little nasty boy, I hope when time you use the things them, you wash them out back.
Little nasty boy.
Okay.
Go wash your head.
I wash my head ever clean and smell good and look nice. Who you? You know I'm nothing to tell me, say you're fool like. $1,000. If you cook, you want come give $100. Him want yam 2, 3, 4 times. Out that.
You know, say, I go out this a while ago. I mean, I think in my head, I say, yo, I don't like how much.
Accent.
You know, say, I go out this a while ago. I say, yo, I don't like how much. You know, say, I out there some rich. I say, yo, I don't like how much share food give me. You can't share 3 dumplings.
Ah, yeah. Go make up your mind when you're ready to go and say it.
You know, say, I go out this a while ago. I say, I don't like how much share food give me, you know. Don't move. Don't worry.
Go back.
No.
All them the inner figure cut out. Just do it one time and done, man. And me if you look one. And me I look one and
You know, say, I go out this a while ago. I say, I don't like how much share food give me.
what do you mean you don't like how me share food give?
I don't like how much share. You can't share 3.
Fine.
You so hot at it. You know, say, I go out this a while ago. I say, I don't like how much share food give me, you know. You can't share 3 dumplings.
Fool.
You know, say, I don't like how you share 3 dumplings give me a night time.
What do you mean you don't like when we share 3 dumplings give you?
You think, what you think, look how me big, you can't. You know what I say? I don't like how you share 3 dumplings give me. You can't share 3 dumplings give me.
What do you mean you don't like when we share 3 dumplings give you?
You think me a boy? You think me a boy?
Go back to the animal time and come back. Last time.
We are playing, so we not talking.
Next time I said 5 dumplings, 3 too little bit. Them a dumpling I look too little.
Ready? You know what I say? Me I got this a while ago, me I thinking of me and I say, yo, you can't share 3 dumplings, give me.
What do you mean me can't share 3 dumplings give you?
Cause me a no boy.
How much money you give in the pot?
It no matter how much money I want to put, you cannot share 3 dumplings, give me.
Don't tell me that.
And guess what now? My girlfriend over there, you have to put more food in I think.
Oh, so me figure you 20 and give she how much?
Even for $100 me give you can't put 3 dumplings.
So why you want give less money and you want more food?
Say, mommy did there. They must say you couldn't go on now.
Oh, she broke your body? Well, me's not your mother and I'm not your girl.
Candy.
You want more than 3 dumplings? Make your woman cook you.
You see your form reach out, you come back for come just to tell her that cause it hurt me.
It hurt you.
It hurt me.
It hurt you too, you get little bit of food and it hurt me because you not get the right amount of money but you forget. If you get the right amount of food.
Say things so me can go play for 4-8 hours and come in and eat 3 dumplings, I think I eat them.
Alright, listen to me now. Listen to me, my brother. Straight talk. You want no food? Put up the good right amount of money and you not have nothing to talk about. I no more land talking with you. What kind of food you want with them little bit of money there?
I want the things to cut with cross.
We're Alton, ready?
Stop, man, stop.
Hey girl, I see you girl. Hey girl, I see you what?
Action.
Fry the egg and put the egg so. You go fry the plant. You fry it now, you come in.
Alton, ready? Ready now, Kelly. Ready now, Alton. Fight. Get away. Candy, I brought up your complexion.
Alright.
Grab up. Kelly, ready?
Candy, stop that, no candy man.
Ready now, Alton. Action.
Yo!
Wait, I want to go there, sir. I want to go there, sir.
And ready?
Yo!
Where teeth made for?
I really want to go.
Where teeth made for?
I want to go there, sir. I want to go there, sir.
It teeth out me.
So one egg gonna fight over?
I don't know why my beer so far by one little egg.
Alright, here what?
Me want about me egg.
Okay, man. Tap look for me.
Yeah,
Hold on. Tap look for me, no give balls, man.
Me not.
Yeah, man, you ever look
go
for
back
me.
out there, sir.
No, man, you have to go back out there. Ready again.
Other day I watch.
Ready.
Smile man, you're far.
No, serious.
Ready.
Smile with man.
I want to fight over.
I really want to go, yo, you see you.
I want to fight over.
Daddy, other day, one 3 egg me buy and candy eat off you and me no say nothing to candy and one egg, daddy.
Where's that?
Yo, you never call a man daddy.
God no, me never call one man daddy yet neither. I swear to God, me never call a man daddy so you feel uncomfortable. But you see to me stepfather,
Come.
just wait him to call.
Alright, come.
Father, start.
Hey,
Oh, him and then.
Ready.
I want to fight over.
Daddy, other day me buy one 3 egg and candy eat out half of it and daddy, you can't believe say 1 egg she fried this morning and take out 1 and you see I behave over 1
So
egg.
really 1 egg you fight over?
Look here. You is my stepfather. You is not my father, but me respect you as a father. You really believe this a little dirty liar thieving boy?
Who you call thief? Who you call
and in
thief?
thief.
Who you call
And you, give me me.
In front of me when I fight?
Ready.
Daddy, other day me buy 1 3 egg, you know, and candy eat out me egg and me no say nothing, you know, and she have 1 egg in there.
Stop and laugh.
Continue, man. Don't move. Continue.
And she have 2 egg in there, I take out 1 and you want to hear she behave over 1 little egg I take out. And when time she eat out egg, me no say
So 1 egg you fight for?
Let me tell you something. You is my stepfather. You is not my father. Me don't say if you believe a little dirty layer thief in
How you talking? How you talking?
What the beer for yourself?
Stop, man, stop.
Leave it off. So your face looks so empty.
My girlfriend burned me up with that water.
So
Wait.
no, my girlfriend burned up with hot water. They actually fight last night. You have to explain.
Alright.
And really don't have to action. So your face looks so empty.
My girlfriend burned me up with that water last night. Me and her in a fight. And my chest burned up and my face.
So she don't know.
She a pack up her clothes to go and I beg her not to go and she still a go. She in her house to pack up her clothes.
Boy, you know, it's a good woman you have.
Daddy, go and see if I can talk to her for me now, Daddy.
I make a talk to her and say it, yeah, but a good woman you have, you know. Out of all of them, say which is the best one me ever see, you know.
Daddy, just go and talk to her for me.
I make a talk to her here, I go on.
Daddy, girl, I get too bright, man.
But you're not mother or father for decide that.
But Daddy, just, yo, she too enough.
You may I say, go and go talk to her. And nobody with the aggressiveness when you're going there, you know.
No man, continue.
Where back the girl for?
Daddy,
You're too tired. Go and go talk to her. And I know something grow here, you know.
Go on. Ready?
This year give me brother. Brother, I want to jail them too. Right here. I want to jail them too.
yo, you still get jail, man. Oh, yes, sir.
See, I'm not dealing that thing up here with them.
Alright, yeah.
See, I know.
Sorry about that. Yo, I can't really say a star, Mr. My girl. You have man a ride around the place and look for you like an idiot. All book all room and all no, can't see you, my girl. What kind of thing that you know see you go around me? Yo, look a bit here, man.
That's all look respect.
How you go?
Yeah. See the man where you wait for me? With a text boy and the hotel room for is me. Set up everything. And me I text the whole time. You see everything. Look how much sitting me do for you. Wash up and clean for you. After everything, and this I do, and me if you stay. Boy, come out of my way.
Babes. No matter with the fish, man.
Excuse.
Where you go? Yo, bike man, go on, no bike man.
Excuse.
Babes, relax.
It done.
Babes.
You're
Papa, yeah, man, say man.
Brother, lift up no man.
you're ungrateful, and I choose.
So babes, why can't I do this?
Why me I do this?
Yeah, I do this.
So you texting and saying that you're this and you're that. You listen to me. Me didn't even want to go in. Like, the more me think about it, you get me upset. Excuse.
Babes, nobody with the fool. Man, nobody with the
Excuse.
What's your number? Make a work out, you know?
No, we work out the fact that you did box me in my face because me feed a sister, me give your sister a little bit of food and me bypass that. But it's when it comes to this, no.
Babes. What's your number? Nobody with the man. Nobody with the man.
Oi!
Ready now, my G, ready?
Here, please. Can we This guy in community. I don't have no picture. Shiny camera phone for me to the phone.
See person we have text on the phone? The
You know
hotel
what
room
I'm
we have
saying?
booked is me. So here what gonna happen now?
If we go and sit down there, so I'm going to see a blood clot. You
Let it go to Alton, let it go to Alton, yeah. Alton, let a man bike come and go kill and go for the bike. Make your man go on the bike now. Make your man go on the bike, man, cho. And run back on the bike. Alton, make your man go on the bike. Go on the bike, kill him. Alton, let it now, Alton, let it. Wait, ready now. Ready?
How you go?
I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go yard. You see the man we are wait pan? And me. You see hotel room we are try to book? The woman is me. I do all of the texting the whole time. After everything when I do for you, and you ever ask me where me I go? Done.
Babes.
Bye.
Where boy there?
Look how you make your man gone. Look how you make call you know.
My girl, if you make your man go away. My girl, I can't believe you make your man come out. Hello, you saw my run through here, sir?
Farmer here take me tongue. Yes, he goes son. No say me say who.
Alright, come on. You me come find now. Talk to me.
Your friend, a cook, and cut her finger. Just one little scrape on her finger. And want to see how she exaggerate. You see me? She create one big scene over her little, and then me hungry and she want to follow her go to doctor. I have to stay and look for something to eat because I'm hungry. Now she gone. Right now your friend too soft. Wish your friend did stay like you. You know? Bad little girl with the machete. Right now them they turn me on, you know. And little machete there, you know.
That little insensitive still, you know. But I see him some I remember say Shan used to ever buck her too and drop on when a little maca we pick her. She will run a gun and ball and all kind of things. So I know there's some truth to what you say still, you know, but I have a feeling say still you rough her up some of them times, you know. I don't like that, you know.
No man, not like somebody rough
And
up
my
people.
friend that, you know, if it can rough up anybody else, you know, but not my friend, you
Not
know.
like somebody rough up people because you're nice. Not rough you.
Easy, you know, Alton. Mine, you know, it just move too rough sometimes.
No man, I'm not rough. I don't look rough. I'm a good boy.
Well, some people might can't handle the roughness still, but
I know one girl like you, but if you have from a long time, you know. She never did with Shad, you know. Shan too soft for me.
you know, still, I always look on you still and like a little roughness still, but Shan can't handle it.
Like
and
it?
Shan can't manage.
I want to pay for one there. No.
Go on, no Shan there.
Your friend too soft. Your friend get one little cut on your finger so. And then want me to follow him to a doctor. You see me one little cut, you know? Me wake up hungry. Your friend too soft. Sleep me hear my ball out. Alton! 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 I'm going in the kitchen, one little cut on your finger, you know? I said this girl come make him a mad somebody. Make me have to get up if go look at him. I want to follow him to a doctor. I'm wake up hungry too, you know. So she told me, say, go on a doctor by yourself.
Okay, that you say go on.
Your friend too soft, man.
Well, we can't really remember still, say back in the days. Shan used to always clumsy them
not
way
even
there.
that, not even that. Right now, I'm so they tough like you know. Them little machete, you know, them something that turn me on, man.
And them thought they really come give me now all time.
You know, your friend still, but...
In truth, still, you know, I don't like how you are rough or up, you know. So I want you to calm down with them something they would have, you know. Because I see it from over there, you know. So just calm down. Some people can't manage the roughness all the time.
Right now, she should have rough like you.
Maybe, but you can't handle it. So you have to just ease
So
up.
I never made just there and done.
Well, there are times, you know. There are times when I look on you still. I'm like a little rough thing where you have a go on with still, you know, but Shanna my friend. Shanna my friend all the time.
I know that never do nothing for hurt your friend. I mean, I never do nothing for hurt you either.
You're going to be a little rough with me.
You like it rough?
Just a little.
Yeah, speak, man.
Alton, baby. I want one.
Nothing now go on, babes. May I come.
So when you open the door for me, open up the door, man.
Hold on now. There's something there behind the door.
So what kind of something behind the door? Move it, man.
Babes.
Alton, I want one in there.
Nothing now go on. Yeah, babes, so.
So I want to make an ear and no clothes.
Now go on in there.
Alton. So why you lock the door? So I want going.
You know, so I'm just coming in and have a shower while I'm tired. No?
Oh. Alright, come.
Hold on.
Alton.
We're not going to play so far.
So what is so we can lock up house, so we can lock up door.
Me just come in and just have a shower and come in and tired.
I don't like them things here, you know, because me want to bed. Me just come from the doctor.
Alright, go and go bed now. We're not done the place so far.
So why make you have door lock up in here?
Come me just have a shower and come in and so me and go relax.
So who you lock door from me? No, you saying like nobody here, yeah, who will come in here so make you lock door?
I don't trust nobody.
Me not take a shower.
I go bed?
Yeah, me go bed.
Alright, go on now. Next to the sofa. Sorry.
Pass me towel.
Towel.
Yeah, come give me.
Me so carry come. Go on, me so carry come. Sleep, me I go sleep, man. Touch sleep, I go sleep.
So just like a bed and you go sleep same time.
Yeah, because I don't have to be able to sleep.
No, but I'm a chance at the job.
So I can't lock up door.
Come just be here and come in so I go sleep.
I want to make your place look so. You can't spread up your bed sometimes.
Listen to me, now I don't talk, you know.
I'm going to take a bed.
I'm going to bed.